Welcome to our video on predictive maintenance with knowledge graphs. Our focus is on transforming sensor data into proactive scheduling decisions. Where sensor data tells you something is wrong, a knowledge graph tells you what to do about it. When an alert fires, organizations often face a bottleneck in operational context. An alert might indicate a high probability of bearing failure. However, a series of questions follow that require manual lookups across disconnected systems. Maintenance timing is a crucial business decision. Predictive maintenance is about revenue protection. The question is finding the optimal window that balances failure risk against generation opportunity, which directly relates to availability loss revenue, or ALR. The semantic model connects entities like assets, failure modes, engineers, inventory, operational schedules, and work order history. This connectivity provides the full operational context to answer critical business questions, not just basic asset data. A semantic knowledge graph enables a single traversal from the alert to the scheduling decision. This replaces multiple system lookups and manual reconciliation, leading to a decision in seconds. It provides a multi-asset view for proactive, before-failure intervention. In practice, connected operational intelligence enables proactive scheduling from a vibration anomaly. It optimizes resources across distributed sites to minimize ALR. Ultimately, it allows for agentic maintenance coordination, shifting planners' focus to exceptions. Our solution is built on the Databricks Lakehouse, unifying operational data into a semantic model. Kobai Studio allows domain experts to define the ontology. Kobai Saturn's graph layer executes traversals as SQL, and the intelligence layer provides features like conversational Q&A and automated scheduling agents. The shift from reactive to proactive operations is defined by decision speed and quality. Reactive maintenance involves separate lookups and revenue loss. Proactive operations use a single graph traversal for a scheduling recommendation, protecting revenue and minimizing ALR. The intelligence to act is available when needed. This enables earlier risk detection, right-time intervention, and confirms the right people and parts are available. This system empowers autonomous operation at scale. To bring contextual intelligence to your enterprise data or for any queries, please contact us at support@kobai.io. Thank you for watching.